Hey everyone, Neil here from the Pentatonic Way. Welcome. In this quick video, I'm going to give you a tour of the Pentatonic Way Travelers membership so you can see how everything works and how it's designed to help you grow as a guitarist step by step. Whether you're just starting out or you've been playing for years and want to unlock more freedom with the pentatonic scale, this is the place to do it. When you log in, this is your dashboard, your home base. Right up top, you'll see a friendly welcome back message and a shortcut to pick up exactly where you left off in the most recent lesson. You can jump straight into this week's challenges, check out upcoming events, and see the latest community discussions, all here in one spot. You'll also find quick links to our practice tools like the Scale Trainer app, which helps you build fretboard confidence faster. Everything here is designed to make it super easy to stay connected and keep progressing. Next up is the journey. This is where you'll find your roadmap. It lays out all of our main courses in a clear step-by-step path from beginner to advanced. Each stage helps you build confidence with the pentatonic scale, connect it across the neck, and start creating solos that sound truly musical. And if you're not sure where to begin, you get a complimentary private coaching call with me when you join. I'll help you figure out exactly where to start and what to focus on next. Inside the community, you'll find the heart of the Pentatonic Way Travelers. This is where members connect, share their jams, ask questions, and get feedback. You can also join in on our weekly challenges, post your progress, and watch replays of our Monday night coaching sessions right here. It's a really supportive and encouraging group. Everyone's learning together, and it's awesome to see how much progress happens here. Over in the events tab, you'll see everything we've got coming up, from our Monday night coaching sessions to our monthly live Q&A calls. You can mark your calendar, set reminders, and even join directly from here when we go live. It's a great way to stay plugged in and keep your motivation high. And finally, the My Stuff tab. This is your personal progress hub. Here you'll see all the courses and lessons you bookmarked or completed, along with any badges or points you've earned along the way. It's a great way to track your growth and celebrate the milestones you hit throughout your journey. So that's a quick look inside the Pentatonic Way Travelers. Everything here is designed to help you simplify soloing, connect your pentatonic scales, and make music that actually feels expressive and fun to play. If you're already a member, dive in. Start with your next lesson or this week's challenge. Or if you're watching this and you haven't joined yet, I'd love to have you on board. Just head to Pentatonic Way to get started, and I'll see you inside.